this, by using the mask, we are going to repair any split ends or dry ends that there may be, as well as depositing the tone using the pigment in the product. One thing that's essential to note is when you're using these products on the hair, you can control how much you change the tone by the amount of time we leave the product on the hair. Should you wish to neutralize the tone a small amount, you can apply the products and remove and rinse straight away. If you wanted to control it by adding more of the pigmentation, neutralizing a more yellow and brassy tone, then you could leave the product on for around 3 to 5 minutes. We're now going to apply the mask, perfect for blonde and grey hair, neutralizing yellow, brassy and warm tones, and reviving the platinum tones in the hair. The mask repairs and restores any hair damage, giving moisture and adding softness and flexibility to the hair.